What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today we're going to be talking April obsessions. This is the best in beauty and lifestyle for the whole entire month. First, just wanted to say a huge thank you just to everybody who came out to hang out with me for a few hours at the Fabletics store in Woodland Hills, California at the Village. To Fabletics for giving me the opportunity to host the event. Super thankful and grateful. Also, I wanted to give a huge thank you to all of the brands who donated items for the swag bags as well as for the raffle prizes. Just super appreciative and thankful and grateful for the love and support from the brands. Make sure you guys keep an eye out for the weekly vlog, which most likely will be up either tomorrow or Tuesday the latest. Let's jump in to my April obsession. So we're gonna first just dive right in to food, and we're gonna start with the unhealthy stuff first, because as much as I love healthy food, I love me some unhealthy good, just like wholesome food. And this is something that's pretty new to me. I mean, okay, it's essentially like garlic bread, but it's Texas toast. Literally just like a thick 1-inch piece of bread with butter. This is the garlic flavor. It's so good. It's so buttery. I know you can easily make this, but I mean, it's so convenient. It's $2. Available at Walmart, and it cooks in like 5 minutes, and it's so good when it's crunchy. So if you guys ever see this at your local Walmart for $2, go out and get it. Or if you guys have a suggestion on another brand that I should check out, let me know in the comment area down below. So next in the food department, which is also on the healthier side, is PB2, which is essentially powdered peanut butter. It's made with high oleic peanuts. It's 85% less fat calories than traditional peanut butter. So 2 tablespoons contains about 50 calories. Tastes like peanut butter. There is, to me, like a slight difference. It's not as creamy as regular peanut butter, but if you didn't tell me that this is powdered peanut butter, I wouldn't have known the difference. I love the fact that it is 50 calories per serving. Sonia Kashuk, it's a makeup blender duo. It's also latex-free. Like the texture of this because it has like some bounce to it. It's not stiff. And this is how it looks once it's expanded. So it definitely, you know, it doubles in size. So used it dry, which I still like the consistency of it because it's still got bounce to it. It still distributes the product beautifully. So I have nothing but really good things to say about this. Too Faced, and this is the Peach Perfect Powder. It's in the shade peach translucent peach. It has, again, the sifter, which I think is so convenient and smells like peaches, and sweet fig, which I am a fan of. I use this to set my under eye concealer, and I love the way how it looks. I feel like you don't really get any flashback with it. It doesn't look chalky, or it doesn't make my under eye area look dry. It just blends beautifully underneath the eyes. There is some product like right here on the side. I'm starting to inhale it and I can taste like that peachy. The peachiness doesn't bother me at all. I have also used it all over the face. It does have a matte finish to it, but it doesn't make you look dry matte, if that makes any sense. Came in the Too Faced Sex on the Peach set, which contains also the mattifying setting spray, cooling matte high perfecting primer, and also a full size of the Better Than Sex mascara, which I've tried the mascara, which I love, but I haven't tried these two yet because I don't know, this was the reason I've been holding out purchasing this powder, because I was hoping they would come out with a set that I really liked. And I think this one was, I think it was like $42, something like that. So I thought it was a really good deal. You know, at least you can test out the other products as well. It's the Makeup Revolution times Soph. It's this really gorgeous highlighter palette, which I am also wearing today. I love the shades. I love the highlights in here because it doesn't contain any glitter. It just gives you like that glow, which I'm wearing like on the high points of my cheeks. I also really appreciate how it's not powdery. It just glides on so smoothly. Let me apply a bit more. Let me just apply some here on the tops of my shoulders so you guys can see the glow. Such a great value from Makeup Revolution. It is, I believe, limited edition since it is a collaboration highlighter palette. This blush from Ulta Beauty, which I mentioned last week, it's their mineral blush in the shade Tiger Lily. I'm also wearing it today. It is Definitely like one of those blushes that I cannot stop using. It's a beautiful pink that has a sheen. I'm just really into items that have a sheen. Glides on beautifully on the skin. When you foundation, or it's not really a foundation, it's more like a tinted full coverage moisturizer from the brand IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye foundation. Last week I had mentioned the shade medium, which is now too light for me. It was already like a tad bit too light and my mom had noticed it, so I went out and purchased medium tan, which I'm wearing today. Buildable medium to full coverage, and it just looks so great. And I absolutely love the fact how it also contains the SPF 50, because you guys know I'm a stickler for the SPF. Pretty difficult to find medium tan. I know they have it on the Ulta website, but to find it in store, I called like every single Ulta in our area all the way up to Valencia, and nobody had it except one store. Keep an eye out for a comparison between the two, the CC Plus. We will be kind of battling it out and seeing which one performs better and has a better wear time throughout the day. And it's also a collaboration with one of my really good friends here on YouTube. So Schwarzkopf, it's the Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin. It's the ultimate repair shampoo. So it contains the 3 times liquid keratin. It's extreme damage repair, protection, and shine for heavily damaged hair. Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair, the ultimate repair anti-damage mask for heavily damaged hair. I've used this for a solid month. Honestly, tell you guys, even though my hair isn't where it used to be before, I have seen and also felt a difference with using these products. Don't shampoo my hair every day. I shampoo my hair probably like every other day, but it leaves my hair very soft. It leaves it very manageable, and the best thing is that it's also growing. That's in addition to like other hair masks that I use. Avocado hair mask in my hair. As for the hair mask, it recommends that you use it every 2 to 3 days, but I actually use it every time I shampoo my hair. I love the way how my hair feels after using it, because it feels so nice and soft and smooth. Even though right now my hair does look a little bit frizzy at the ends, which is normal for me, by the way, because when I let my hair air dry, it tends to get pretty like poofy, especially at the ends. Not until I really blow dry it and then flat iron it, that's when I get it nice and straight and smooth. But I'm really just trying to stay away from any heat tools for the time being. It's a drugstore, it's affordable, it is such a good hair mask. Esqido Unison lashes. So these are a bit different from their faux mink line. Have a different type of blend, handcrafted with superior blend of ultrafine fibers joined together by a remarkably soft and flexible cotton band. The band of these are a bit softer. I really love the way how Esqido lashes feel, so these feel even more lightweight. If you guys are looking for some luxe lashes without really breaking the bank, I definitely highly recommend Esqido lashes. And they're also cruelty free. Bluelounge, and this is called the Kickflip. This is for a MacBook 13-inch. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on the back of my MacBook. So basically with this product, all you do is you just kind of kick it up, and it makes your laptop ergonomic, so it's not completely flat. So it is repositionable. If it gets kind of dirty, all you have to do is just wipe it down with like a clean towel. But it is repositionable, so you don't have to worry about it. You know, that's like the only place where you can put it. You can just throw this like in your laptop sleeve. It's really, really convenient. It's been looking for something that can give my MacBook like a bit of an incline to it, but I wanted it to also be portable. That is everything I wanted to mention for my April obsessions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comment area what are some of your obsessions for the month. I would love to know. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those notifications, because if you guys don't turn on the notification, you most likely will not see my video in your subscription feed. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the other videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.